My dear friends, this is Dr. Pandit Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. This information is for central government employees, PSU employees, as well as banking employees. The subject is regarding LTC as well as earn leave. As per the recent announcement released from Ministry of Finance, number one, I think earn leave. Every year compulsorily you will take 20 days. So hereafter we should not claim for earn leave. Minimum you will have to take 20 days. Secondly, as far as LTC, now people can't afford to go because of the pandemic. So it was in October 2020. There was a demand of 75,000 crore towards the part-time kind of commitment for the salary as well as LTC. LTC alone about 11,575 crore. That includes travel allowance, DLNS allowance, inclusive of 10 days leave. And then as far as a festival loan that is given as an advance as 10,000 rupees for the employees, and altogether it comes around 28,000 crores. Now, since people are not willing to go and opting to go, the money will be paid as cash, wherein I think there is a tax exemption for your travel. So, DRNS allowance, travel will be exempted, then your 10 days leave. Now, giving exemption alone comes around 7,500 rupees towards income tax. Now the government is asking the employees, those are opting as well as collecting the cash, will have to spend the money towards non-essential goods, which attract either 12% GST or more than 12% GST through online trading on digitalization before 31st March. So now you have got an option to avail the cash and go for the expenditure on non-essential goods, not essential, that is attracting 12% or more than 12% GST. So altogether the commitment to the government will be of about 1 lakh crore. So the initial commitment 75,000 crore, and towards LTC and your festival advance. In addition to that, exemption of the taxes will all come together, so much of money to the exchequer. So in order to collect back or to save it and save the additional burden, the people who are collecting the cash will have to spend their money on non-essential items, so that revenue will also be collected. So hereafter I think there will be a rule on the earn leave. Immediately I think 20 days will be compulsory to avail it. In future I think there will be a regulation, something like that, to go for further revisions in terms of keeping it or otherwise remove it off. So the discussion is also on. For getting having more further clarifications, you can go through the NTTV or you can read through our leading papers, journals, also available in the internet. So this is a specific information not only for central government, PSU and government employees, but also the private sector, to control the LTC as well as this kind of earn leave facility. Please take on care of this information, and you can access the internet and other facility to have more information on this. Thank you very much.